Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to download and install Telegram on a laptop or a PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to be able to do, as you can then go a message from your computer. So to go and get started, we need to go and open up a web browser, and you want to go and search for Telegram like so. Make sure go to the official site, which is Telegram. Here we are, and what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down, and you should go and see Telegram PC Linux, which you can click on. Now we can click on Get Telegram for Windows, and then it should go and start downloading. As you can see, what we need to do is go and locate the installer. We can go and open up our File Explorer and come to our downloads like so. We can click over to the left, and here it is, and all you need to do is go and double click on it like so. We can start the installation process. Choose the language. You can choose where it's installed. That's fine with me, and we can then press next. You can choose if you want a shortcut. I do. Then we can go and press install, and the process is going to go and run through. We can then go and choose to go and launch Telegram like so. If it doesn't, you can always go and use the shortcut. Click on Start Messaging, and we can go and scan this on our mobile, and I lined in, and I can go and send messages on Telegram from my computer.